channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are going to Walmart. I just have to pick up a couple things we have a soccer tournament this weekend. So I just need to get a couple things. The boys have graduation coming up, just some, you know, little stuff, cleaning stuff, things like that. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me and show you what we find. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, join the family. I'm almost at 1,000. I'm so excited, and I thank every single one of you for joining and subscribing to my channel. Let's go. Guys, okay, first thing I see, these are $19. Look how stinking cute this is. It's a one piece. It's like a little low cut. So cute. This one is so cute too. This is a two piece. This is a high waist bottom. To die for. That bottom is $15 and I'm sure the top is $15. Look at this. How cute. I love this print. The back I think is like a crisscross. And it's 20 bucks. Oh my gosh, they have such pretty colorful stuff. Another cute one piece. I cannot buy a bathing suit at all. Like, I have so many. No, but I do want this. What is it? Oh my gosh. Oh, but they only have a 3X. I want this so bad. My sister has one and she always looks so cute. You think a 3X would look fine? I'll have to try it on. Guys, look at this two-piece. It's so cute. It has this and then the skirt, and the skirt has like a cute little split. And it's only 20 bucks. They have this romper. Oh my gosh, look at this necklace. How cute. And it's only $4. Love these earrings. They're only $4. Guys, these are such a good price. They're $5 and they're the where you put your phone in and you could put your cards or whatever it is that you need. I bought these for our vacation last year and literally paid like $10 each, I think. And they have a bunch of colors. They have a lot of cute hats. Look how cute this beach bag is. And then it has this little strap, but then it has the bigger one. And it is $23. And then they have this one. It's a little clutch, $17. They have all kinds of different styles. Super cute. Look how cute these are. I love them. I'm totes getting them. And they're so comfortable. And they have this pink color, this white color, and they're on sale for $12. How cute. I really like those, but I can't do anything with that color. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I love these. Are they ugly? I don't think so. They're $16. I think they're so cute. Look how cute these are. And they're, I don't know, one of these. I keep sneaking out at night. Keep wishing you would kiss
kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel.
Guys, look at these candles. They're 3-wick and they are only $4. They have the papaya passion, mango sunrise, lilac breeze, banana nut bread, bourbon pecan, bright hibiscus. This one smells crazy. I don't like it. Cozy comfort. But they're only $4. I feel like I'm gonna try one. See how it works. Look at these cute pillows. They're $20, but I love that color. Those cute candles. That's a cute mirror, but not $40. Ooh, I love these things. It's my favorite. Look how cute these tents are. They're 32, but they're like a kid size. How cute. And then they have the girls one, and then they have the matching chairs. So cute. Oh, this is like a teenager one. Teenager? I don't know. Yeah, 9 to 12. Not teenager, preteen. Oh my gosh, they got the sleeping bags up there. How much? They're 23. They have lanterns. So cute. Even the book bags. Oh my gosh, I want to go camping, but indoors. They have a lot of these cute little, this is a new brand that I've seen. It's called Patched Party, but their stuff is so stinking cute. They have this fan that you put around your neck. It's only $11. I think I'm gonna get it. And they have these spray mist bottles. Okay, so they have a bunch of cool like water stuff. They have this giant unicorn that I love. I want it for myself. And it's a speaker, guys. It has a speaker. Yeah, but all these things, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait for summer. And I just want to do all the things.
Your touch, wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you, wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
And then they had a bunch of these baskets and the cute little storage containers and all just kind of stuff. And I just thought they were all really cute.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back.
Oh my gosh, these towel sets are so nice. Like all the colors, all of them. I love it because, you know, you don't have to try and match different towels and stuff. The only thing, they were $20. Is a little pricey in my opinion, but they're still really nice. And then all their rugs were super cute. A lot of different designs. Super cute. I love this spa bath one.
No going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs.
my gosh, this little section of this new brand that I said earlier, I don't even remember what it's called, has the cutest stuff. These baskets, these plates, guys, these colors. I can't. I literally was dying the whole time. And it's like a party decoration, I guess, or I mean, I would do my house with those colors. That is just all so nice. They have balloons for the garland. Look at this pillow, how freaking cute it is. That is not $20. Oh, but it's cute.
Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, get over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
So quickly, this is my little haul. I got this because we have a soccer tournament this weekend that I'm buying a bunch of stuff for. And just because it's summer and I've always wanted one, it's actually you charge it with the cable, and then you put it around your neck. You could put it on your desk like that. It just has a lot of cool ways you can wear it. So I got one of those. I got some bowls because my kids need it for their cereal. I have to wash their uniforms, and this soap is literally life-changing and gets their white uniforms looking brand new. I ended up trying this candle. I'm actually going to burn it right now. I love these melting wax things. I have them all. I have the burner things all over my house, and this one smells good. And then I got Soak Up the Sun, which also smells really good. I needed some dryer sheets. I got some disinfectant wipes. I got some dust, it's like the off-brand of the Swiffer duster. I ended up getting the shoes, and then I got the lipstick. I'm going to a party on Saturday, and I think that'll be cute with my outfit. I got these hand sanitizers. They were all 50 cents, and they smell really good. And then just these regular ones also smell good. My warmers for the wax, my wax warmers for this, one of my bulbs went out, so I went ahead and picked some up. The kids are graduating from elementary school, so they needed some white t-shirts, and apparently everyone under the sun is doing the same thing because there was no white t-shirts. I got this one for Chatty, and I just ordered some for Caleb. They should be here tomorrow. I got them from Amazon. I needed some of this for our toilets, more glass cleaner. And my husband are addicted to hats, and we both have a lot of hats, so I got 2 of these little organizers to see if they work well to hang our hats. And then just a bunch of little snacks for the tournament tomorrow, well, for the weekend. I figured maybe, because one of our tournaments is really early, so I figured maybe grab one of these and go would be good for them. I actually meant to grab some bananas and I completely forgot, but it's fine. Though they can have that or some cereal, I don't know. And then, yeah, so just a bunch of little snacks for them to enjoy in between games and stuff. So that is what I got. And I got a little salad for myself, and I'm watching the Johnny Depp trial again. So I'm doing that. But yeah, that is what we got. All right, guys, that is it. I'm officially sweaty, hot, and I have 100,000 things to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to that. But again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.